the channel. Okay, hello if you're new. Hello. Thanks for joining my awesome channel. Today's video, I'm celebrating. Okay. It's got 100 subscribers. So, that's fine. The lobsters. The cheese, a quarter pounder, and some fries. I mean cheese. Fries and potato tots. I've never even had a Sonic grilled cheese before. The grilled cheese, it doesn't taste that rich though. Yeah, I've been doing YouTube for like 3 years. This is a big deal for me. Finally, yeah. The fabulous. I know at the even use butter in this grilled cheese. Small ass quarter pounder. Yeah. I mean, I'm used to go up and down like crazy on YouTube. Which is usual. Dakota Page's video I did got me so many views. Actually, the most viewed video I have is going to Trisha Paytas concert. That got me 1,000 views. I was like, holy shit. But no, Trisha Paytas inspired my channel so much. They inspired me to do YouTube, like mukbangs, ASMR, vlogs, shit like that. Story times. Not just Trisha, but Tim Mojo, Jane Dawson, Gabby Hanna, Stephanie Sue. Did not have a good morning though. I'm making life improving this video. I'll ruin my day. And not, yeah, it's grilled cheese. It's not taste rich. finally got my HBO Max. So I had an account. And what was happening was I was trying to watch stuff on it and it wouldn't let me. I kept trying to like watch all HBO Max and it wouldn't let me. So I had to make a new account and pay for a new account. Just so lovely. Guys, thank you for being here, joining these, and also hopefully I can like, I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers, so I'm going to start changing up my content. But I'm still doing some of the same shit, doing new shit. Love you guys and peace.